Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to English vocabulary lessons. Whenever you see a beautiful person, place or thing, the only word comes into your mind is beautiful. Isn't it boring to use beautiful always? Well, in this lesson I'm going to teach you 10 advanced English words to describe beauty in more stylish and fun way. So let's begin. Adorable. It means someone very attractive and lovable. It is used for people, kids, and animals you feel very drawn to, and there is an element of love as well. She has an adorable puppy. I love her adorable smile. I met an adorable baby yesterday. Breathtaking. Breathtaking is kind of a beauty that takes the breath away. Something extremely beautiful and attractive is often used to describe natural beauty, but you can also use it for other purposes as well. The view of this valley is breathtaking. Her dance performance was breathtaking. Mesmerizing. It's kind of a beauty that captures the whole attention. It's kind of hypnotize you. You can't take your eyes off. Nicole Kidman has a mesmerizing personality. Her mesmerizing blue eyes make me drawn to her. Alluring. Alluring is something mysteriously attractive or exciting. It's so attractive that you feel drawn to it. It can be used for people, places, and even for objects. This town has some alluring shopping places. She wears an alluring perfume. Ravishing. Ravishing means unusually attractive and pleasing. This is very stylish word and is used for someone who is very attractive and beautiful. Bride looked ravishing in her wedding dress. Her ravishing beauty imprisoned me. Dazzling. Dazzling is something so bright that it can blind your eyes temporarily. It's kind of a beauty which is shiny, bright, and attractive. This word is mostly used for objects. Her smile is dazzling. She wore dazzling dress last night. Bright sunlight dazzled my eyes. Drop dead. Drop dead means someone is so beautiful that can take hearts away. People can't fail to notice them. This is only used for people, men and women both, and it is mostly combined with the word gorgeous. She is drop dead gorgeous. Her drop dead looks makes me drawn to her. Eye catching. Eye catching is something that grabs attention, that is very noticeable and appealing to eyes. This book's new cover is eye catching. I find sunrise eye catching and serene. Enchanting. Enchanting is a beauty that has the ability to cast a spell over you, something so beautiful that you feel like being hypnotized. It can be used for people, nature, and things. What makes her so enchanting? I don't know. This valley looks enchanting during sunset. Irresistible. Irresistible is something too attractive that you can't hold yourself back. Resistance is very hard. You can use this word to describe beauty of a person, feelings and emotions as well. His offer was so irresistible that I had to agree. Her irresistible smile made me convinced. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this lesson. Please subscribe to my channel. I will see you next lesson. Bye.